Hello guys, today I'm showing you how to formulate a simple yet effective lotion from scratch. If you have ever wanted to make your own skincare products, this is the perfect place to start, so stay tuned. In lotion making, we work with three phases: the water phase, your batch A, the oil phase, your batch B, and the cool down phase, your batch C. Each phase plays a crucial role in making a stable and nourishing lotion. First, we start with our water phases. This usually includes distilled water, hydrosols, and humectants like glycerin and powders that are water soluble. Next, we prepare the oil phase. This includes our oils, butters, and emulsifiers. These ingredients helps blend water and oil together, giving our lotion its creamy texture. By the way, if you want the full detailed formula for this lotion, check the link on my bio. So now we're going to add all our phase A, which is our water phase, into a bigger beaker. Mix everything together before we put it into the double boiler to heat it up.
Take me there. If what you need is just an offering, it's right here. My life is here. I'll be a living sacrifice for you. You're the fire, the refiner. I wanna be consumed. I wanna be tried by fire.
All our measured oil phase, which is our phase B, into a bigger beaker so we can heat it up, also using the double boiler.
Lord, take whatever you desire. Your fire is consuming. Fill this place and set it ablaze. I'll be a living sacrifice for you. You're the fire, the refiner. I wanna be consumed. I wanna be tried by fire. Lord, take whatever you desire.
Now, we heat both our water and oil phases separately until they reach around 70 degrees Celsius. This ensures the emulsifiers to melt properly.
You desire, yeah. Lord is my life. It's gonna burn for me to say this. It's gonna burn for me to say this. Yeah. Let it burn. Oh, gotta let it burn.
And I sinner, but I'm a saint, 'cause I'm a winner when I'm covered in grace. Winter, spring.
Once both phases are heated, we combine them. Slowly pour the oil phase into the water phase while blending. This step is super important because it creates a stable emulsion.
My tears at night, haunted by the limelight. Ooh, you are the way, the truth, the life I seek, I find. So glad I finally realized I've got a lifetime.
Quick reminder, you can find the full formula in the link in my bio, so be sure to check it out. After blending, let the mixture cool to around 40 degrees Celsius before adding heat-sensitive ingredients like preservative, essential oils, fragrances, and active ingredients. These ingredients helps keep the lotion fresh and effective. Quick reminder, you can find the full formula in the link in my bio, so be sure to check it out.
So glad I finally realized, got a lifetime.
If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos every Wednesday. Let me know in the comments what you did love to learn next. See you in the next video. Bye.
Giving Esther, but she fed up. Searching for a king to hold it down. All this time you been waiting your turn. They can never take what's yours. It's already written, baby girl, don't trip. You already know what it is. Don't rush, just be still. Gotta give it to you when it fits. Surrender your will and just ride. Love yourself in the meantime. Never feed into the lies. You know your heart desires. Shorty giving Esther, but she fed up. Yeah, yeah. Shorty giving Esther. Shorty giving Esther. Shorty giving Esther, but she fed up. Searching for a king to hold it down. All this time you been waiting your turn. They can never take what's yours. It's already written, baby girl, don't trip. You already know what it is. Don't rush, just be still. Gotta give it to you when it fits. Shawty giving Esther. Don't you let them down days fester. Don't you let your friends peer pressure. When it's their time, tell them bless up. Cause when it's yours, floodgates from heaven. I know, telling you it's coming. It's like preaching to the reverend. But somebody had to tell you. Sit back and let it settle. God pulling strings like Geppetto. Don't put your faith in no fellow. They poking at you with their nose when they tell you it ain't in your cause, but God aligning the stars. You deserve a lot like a line of cars. Everything you want already yours. If you believe it, that's the hardest part of receiving. It's your season, only if you mean it. Shawty giving us stuff, but she fed up. Searching for a king to hold it down. All this time you been waiting your turn. They can never take what's yours. It's already written, baby girl, don't trip. You already know what it is. Don't rush, just be still. Gotta give it to you when it fits.
And that's all. Your lotion is ready. Look at that beautiful creamy texture.
Behold, your plan is intricate. measure of the love Jesus